Hello guys, this is Arithmetic Algebra. Welcome back to a new video on MAT previous year question paper part 3. We have already put MAT previous year question paper part 1 and part 2 on mathematical skills. Again, part 3 is on mathematical skills. If you want logical reasoning kind of questions, we have also put before it. So don't worry. So let's quickly get into the video. Yeah. Find the smallest number that leaves a remainder 4 on division by 5. So basically, just assume, example, let me assume, if I am remainder 4, right? Yeah. So if I am dividing 9 by 5, I'll be getting remainder as 4. So what can you say by this number? So which is basically 1 less than 5, 1 less than, it's 5 times, right? So 5 times table is there, no? Which is 5, 10, 15, 20. So whatever number, if you are taking 1 less than it, say 4 or 9 or 14 or 1 less than tables of 5, okay, then you will be getting remainder as 4, okay. Same way, see, so let us keep x as our number. So x modulus 4, x4 mod 5, which means basically this indicates the remainder, this indicates the divisor. When you divide a number x by 5, you get the remainder as 4. Likewise, they gave when you divide the same number by 6, you get the remainder as 5. So basically, again, this number should be, for example, if I put 17, 6 2s are 12. So basically, I'll be getting 5. Basically, my 6 table is 6, 12, 18, 24. These are my 6 table, right? So in my 6 table, 1 less than my 6 table number is my x for this one. Okay, so x is same because the same number, if you the smallest number such that if you divide by 5, the remainder is 4. That is what you're finding. Same way, they also gave if you divide by 7, your remainder is 6. Same number, if you divide by 7, your remainder is 6. I already told you this part is your remainder and this part is your divisor. Divisor is nothing but this one. Remainder is nothing but this one. Okay, this is your divisor and this is your remainder. Okay, now same number, if I divide by 8, I get remainder as 7. Same number, if I divide by 9, I get remainder as 8. So which is the smallest number? So from this you can say that generally whatever the multiples are, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have multiples of that, right? Generally it will be a number 1 less than that. Okay. So number is 1 less than multiples of 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what I'm doing is, let me take LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I take LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'll be getting 2,550. Sorry, 520. So this is what I'll be getting the LCM. Since the number is 1 less than the multiples of. So they ask the smallest number. Just make sure they ask the smallest number. So generally our number will be 1 less than. So number will be 2520 minus 1, which is 2519. So that will be our number. Okay, so this is our number. So 1 less than the small multiples of all. If you want to find the multiples of everything, you have to find LCM only. That is only that gives you the smallest number. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Next question, 3 taps A, B, C can fill a tank in 1 by 12. Tank in 1 by, 15, 12, 15, 20 hours respectively. Okay, a tap is open all the time. B tap is open and C tap are open 1 hour each alternatively. You have to find how much hour the tank is filled. So when I look into it, so basically I can say they have given you the hours. I have to find the work done. So work is what? How much hour the tank is filled. Okay, so rate of tap A filling tank. Rate of tap A filling tank. Okay, so tap A filling tank will be 1 by 12. You know it is 12 hours. The rate of that will be 1 by 12. So this, if you want to study about taps and rates, definitely I'll put a clear video explaining that without fail. Okay, so rate of tap B filling tank, which is 1 by 15. So rate, this is this is rate of work done per hour. So this is per hour, you will be having 1 by 12. So per hour, rate at which B fills is 1 by 15. So rate of tap C will be 1 by 20 per hour. Okay, now tap A fills every time. So the first hour, who fills? First hour is filled by tap A and B. A fills every time. B will be filling one time, then the next time it won't fill, and the next time it will fill. So first hour, if you work in first hour will be basically you'll be having 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. Okay, then work in second hour. Second hour will be A. I already told you every time it will be filling A plus C. So A plus C will be 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. So first 2 hours means first 2 hours work done is nothing but work or the rate at which the tank is filled. Okay, so rate at which tank is filled is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. This is first hour plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. So if I further do it, I'll be taking LCM of it and I'll be getting 17 by 60 as the answer for work in which the only 17 out of 60 parts, 17 part has been filled in first 2 hours. So same way in first after that 2 hours if I add, so first 6 hours. 6 hours of work. So first 6 hours of work, this is 2 hours. Into 3 you will be getting 6 hours, which is 17 into 3 by 60, which is nothing but 51 by 60. This is first 6 hours of work. Remaining you are having, in order to fill the tank, remaining you will be having 9 by 60. Okay, remaining so let us say 7th hour. 7th hour will be, see the first 2 hours ends with A plus C. So the 7th hour will be starting with A plus B, which is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15, which is 9 by 60. Okay, so 9 by 60 means, so when I add 1 by 51 by 60 and 9 by 60, I'll be getting 60 by 60, which means my full tank is filled in 7 hours. My full tank is filled. So they are asking the tank will be filled in how many hours? The tank is filled in 7 hours. So this is the simplest method which you can do this. If you're not understanding work done problems, I will explain in your theory part clearly. Now we have completed numbers system and percentage and profit and loss is going on. So after profit and loss, we mostly will be going to the work done problems. Okay, so I'll be explaining that clearly. So I hope you understood this video, and thank you and have a nice day. Bye.